Hey guys, welcome back. I haven't made a video in a long time, but I've got this full screen LCD writing tablet. It's one for the kids. This is the box, came from Amazon. It's 9.5 inch on one side, 8.5 inch on the other, and that's the writing area. There's two buttons. It's ABS LCD. Weighs less than 300 grams. Service life about 100,000 times. Uses a battery CR 2016. Let's open this up. So you got the manual on that side. There you go, manual. Double-sided full screen LCD writing tablet. It's just to keep notes for myself on the fly. Tells you what to do in different languages. Yep. So you got a writing pen. So you got two buttons here. One for the big screen. That's on this side, which is a screen from here to here. You can see it. So if I press the big button, it erases that one. And here we've got another one, which is smaller. If I press the small button, it erases that. So on this side, you get different colors depending on where you write. And on this side, it's all one color. Most likely we'll be using the small side and just draw something. I'm a very crap artist, so you know, this is my car. It's mainly for notes, say stuff I need to do for the day. 1, clean car. My handwriting's crap. 1, clean car. 2, wash mats. 3, sell car, etc, etc. And you can draw a flower and a house. It's good for kids when you don't want to waste paper. So yeah, and it's only, it was actually $14.99 on Amazon. If you go to eBay, you can probably get it cheaper, or AliExpress. You might get it for like £10 delivered. And yeah, that's a writing tablet. If you like this, please subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time.